I'm a Espanyol. I'm a vlogger from Espanyol. I really want to vlog here in the Philippines because Philippines is a good country. It's a beautiful country. Ito. Buenos días, señorita. I am perdido de Española. Española. Losing my way and I really want to go to Pagadian Boulevard. Where is the Pagadian Boulevard? Pagadian Boulevard. Do you know Pagadian Boulevard? Pagadian City Boulevard? How far from there? How far from there?
I think, mga
20 minutes?
kilometers?
Kilometers. So, from there is mga, or more or less 30 kilometers, 30 minutes from there. I am looking for a delicious sapura. I am looking for a delicious sapura. Where is Panula? What is that? What is that?
Bibingka.
Bibingka. That is delicious food? That is delicious.
Yes.
Oh, delicious. What is this country? What is this the name of this place? What is the name of this place?
Nabalan to foreign sir.
Nabalan Tukuran. Oh. Can I smell that? Just give me one piece. I smell that. There is I think that is delicious food. I am a Espanyol. I am a vlogger from Espanyol. I really want to vlog here in the Philippines because Philippines is a good country. It's a beautiful country. By the way, what is your name, ma'am?
Jima sir.
What?
Jima.
Jima. Oh. How much? How much that?
6 pieces, 50 pesos.
6 for 50 pesos. Oh. Just give me 6 pesos. Just give me 6 pesos. Are you sure that is delicious?
Yes sir.
Oh. I really want to taste that. Gemma, your name is Gemma.
Yes.
Yes, just give me 6 pieces for only 50 pesos. Oh. Yeah.
Pagkapi na kasi.
What is?
Princess.
Oh. 50 pesos for 60 pesos.
Yes sir.
You are so kind.
The pieces.
Oh.
2 pieces.
2 pesos? Oh. 2 pesos. Yeah, what is your name? Señorito, what is your name? Are you laughing? Yeah.
Wala ka pagkapi na buha sir ha?
What?
Latest to.
Oh.
So much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your kind. By the way, what is your name again, ma'am?
Jima.
Jima. I am Melvin Ronaldo.
Assalamualaikum.
Oh. Thank you, ma'am. Salamat po.
Salamat kayo.
Ma'am, nagbablog kami. Pwedeng isama sa vlog namin? Okay lang? Okay. Thank you. Salamat ha.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Meron.